Welcome, Oponganons and faraway viewers. You're about to embark on a journey from the comfort of your couch to, well, the slight discomfort of a gym. I'm here to guide you through the wild world of weights, workouts, and maybe a little bit of grunts and sweat. Okay, a lot of grunts and sweat. All this is to achieve the greatest project you will ever work on: yourself. We've all been there. The first step into a gym can feel like stepping onto another planet, and it can be scary. But hear this: the best way to fight the demons that chase you in the night is to stop and turn around. Before going to the main exercises, don't forget to stretch first. When stretching is done, we go to the warm-up set to prepare our muscles and joints to lift the heavier ones later. And we will be doing an incline dumbbell press. It's a compound exercise, which means you use multiple muscle groups, and on this one you're using chest the most, shoulders, then triceps. Once you're done using the weights or the machines, you should return them to the proper spot. That's one of the most important gym etiquette. So let's go! Now there are multiple variations of the dumbbell press. There is the decline, which hits your lower chest, which hits the same muscle as the push-up. There's the flat bench press, which hits your middle chest, and the incline, which we are currently doing to hit our upper chest. Okay, and we'll move to the third set na. To avoid injuries, it should be done with proper form. It should be chest out, your shoulders leaned back, and if you're hurting your joint, you should stop and use a lighter weight. Most of my exercises I do drop sets, which means using a lighter weight after finishing a set. So we started on a lighter weight and let's make it heavier. And we lowered the seat as well. That's one thing, if you will be using a machine in the gym, you should properly position everything from the seat, the angles, because they play a lot of roles when you're trying to do some exercises. So let's go to the second set. Sakit. Wait lang. Okay. Mana ka? Of course, we also socialize in the gym. Now, personally, I think this machine is very nice. You start off using your middle chest, and then you push it up, so you're also using your upper chest. Now, our body usually adapts on the weights that we lift, so that's why we always do progressive overload. We add the weights for another set. Kira, kira. Wala ba? Kira, kira. Wala, wala. Record? Oo. Ha? Unsa? Invite? Dili nakabisi? Let's go. While I rest, I try to do some talk or catching up with my friends in the gym. That's also part of the rest. And in this third set, you will notice that I've really gone to failure. Look at that face. So mag side raises ta guys para sa atong shoulders. $14, $15, and maybe 8, 5 kilo. 4, 5, 8. Okay, that's good. So that's done. Panguli na nato ang dumbbells. I'm not sure why a lot of gym goers don't do this, but this is actually still an exercise so that your groceries will feel lighter. So our target for this exercise would be the front part of the shoulder, the ring. Earlier, it was the side part of the shoulders, man, here. So that exercise would make us look wider. This bar is actually 20 kilos, around 15 to 20 kilos, give or take. So let's go. Okay, that's good. Lightweight. Patay, lightweight. Kita daog ron. We'll see. I'm personally more comfortable using dumbbells compared to barbells. If you have strength imbalances, focus on the dumbbells first so the weaker one can catch up. We will go to the fourth. It's gonna be a drop set. And drop set means after the set, you will add another set that is lighter compared to the previous one you had. I just want to say something. As you've noticed, the people in the gym doesn't really care on what you're doing because everybody's in their own bubble, in their own world. So there's nothing to be afraid of or to be intimidated. They're just doing what they came here for. They're also improving for themselves. They will only care if you will ask or need some help as well. So don't be afraid to ask for any help, especially on the trainers because they're really friendly. They've been in your shoes as well. At some point in their life, they also started and was afraid to go to the gym. We'll do some drop set, 15 kilos, then we'll go to half, 7.5 kilos. Lightweight, baby. I know you've noticed the grunting, but it's actually normal because you need to breathe while lifting heavier weights. If you're not breathing, you're depriving yourself of a few more reps. Okay, it's good. Let's put back the weights. Oy! Mini injury, that's okay. So we will go to second set and made it heavier. Okay. So third set we'll make it 25 and we'll make it a drop set from 25 to 15. Let's go. Okay. Whew. So for today's cardio, we'll just do bike. I won't be doing some treadmill or running or jogging or walking. I'm also having a leg day tomorrow on the second episode of gym series, so I'd like to conserve my energy for that. And yeah, as you can see earlier, we did the push day. Push day consists of 3 muscle groups, which are the chest, shoulders, and the triceps here at the back. Yeah, we did a total of 3 chest exercises, 2 shoulder exercises, and another 2 tricep exercises. So that's a total of what? 3, 5, 7 exercises, and a bit of cardio, maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, that's all for the push day, and thank you for viewing, guys, and I hope you will continue supporting our videos, and I also encourage you to leave some comments if you have any questions for me. Let's go. Hi, Sal Coach.